When the mind becomes a courtroom, every memory is evidence, every feeling a witness against you. But remember this first, simple truth. You are not on trial. You are the judge. You can ask for the evidence. You can dismiss the rumor. 1. Thoughts are weather, not the sky. Look up. The clouds parade by, some dark, some quicksilver. They announce storms and pass. You are the wide, steady blue that holds them. Let your first response be observation. This too is a thought. Say it softly. That small naming creates distance. You're watching rain, not becoming soaked by it. 2. Name the thief. Toxic thoughts are cunning. They dress as truth to steal your peace. Give them names. Perfection hungry, catastrophe looper, should have ghost. Once labeled, their power wanes. A named thief can be guarded against. 3. You are not every feeling you feel. Anger is a trumpet, grief a tide, shame a cold cloak. They knock, and you decide whether to open. Feelings inform. They do not command. Respect them. Listen to the message, then write the answer. I hear you. I will act from truth, not panic. 4. The past is a schoolhouse, not a home. Your mistakes were classrooms, not prisons. Retrieve the lesson, but leave the desk behind. When memories replay, ask, what did I learn? If the replay offers no lesson, let it die like an old broadcast, static and then silence. 5. Small actions heal louder than big regrets. If your mind is a house in disrepair, start with a single window. Make your bed. Send the message you avoid. Write one honest line. Habit cures rhetoric. Action rewires shame into competence. The next thought will meet a world that works, and it will soften. 6. Practice tough love toward your thinking. Stoics did not flinch from inner discipline. Ask your thought for proof. Always? Every time? Test it. Replace the sweeping claim with precise facts. I failed once becomes I failed in one instance and learned. A way not to fail again. Evidence disarms exaggeration. 7. Sorrow has a shape. Give it room to breathe. We live in a culture that rushes grief like a guest who overstayed. Sit with it as you would with a wounded friend. Kind, attentive, and steady. Name the sorrow, feel its edges, and allow it to be a teacher. When it is ready, it will thank you by shrinking. 8. You are the captain. Your attention is the sail. Attention is currency. Spend it with intent. Where attention goes, energy follows. Train it like a muscle. Start with one focused minute a day and grow it. Point to courage, to craft, to the quiet tasks that build character, not to the circus of what-ifs. Imagine opening a window inside yourself and watching stale air leave. Notice the relief of clean breath, the small grin when clarity returns. This is not magic, it is practice. Repeat it, and the practice becomes a temperament. Now, a simple exercise. Breathe in for 4, hold for 4, breathe out for 6. On the out-breath say, not mine. Repeat 3 times. Then ask silently, what is the one honest thing I can do in the next hour? Choose it. Do it. Toxic thoughts will visit. They are persistent mail carriers. You can receive the letter, read it, and then set it aside without building your whole day around it. The more you show up for life, imperfect, attentive, steady, the less their letters change your address. There was a man who fed every anxious thought like a stray dog. He wondered why he had no peace. One day he fed 3 birds instead. Small acts, a thank you note, a plant watered, an apology made. Weeks later, his mind was quieter because the hands that had been busy feeding worry were now busy doing what mattered. Today, when a toxic thought knocks, do 3 things, name it, question it, and act against its command. That tiny liturgy will change the architecture of your days. You cannot stop every thought, but you can decide the life that follows them. Choose to guard your attention like a temple. Choose to respond like a judge, not a defendant. Choose the small actions that accumulate into courage. Like and subscribe for more.